Hi Metaphor. I'm Mazhar Ali. You can call me Ali. I'm a NYU grad student, and this is my take-home assignment. I call it FridgeFlix. Basically, Netflix suggests you like movies based on what kind of thing you want to see, like your mood and stuff. So I've made this thing called FridgeFlix, which basically what it does is that you look into your fridge and you look at the ingredients that you have and what do you want to have. So maybe like breakfast or something, and what you do is that you just go, you choose whatever veggies you've got. Um, let's say I got carrots, not garlic, maybe lettuce, onions, tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers. Yeah, that's I think that's what the average kitchen has. And maybe in my protein, I've got eggs, I've got bread. Uh, what else? I've got cheese, I've got butter, and in my spices, I've got salt, paprika, maybe some mint, black pepper, of course, chili powder. Uh, yeah, and maybe a few things that we do not find in this like word cloud. This is not an exhaustive list, so I've just added a input box at the bottom where you can just like separate spaces and you can just put in whatever you want. So olives, oranges, and anything like any spice, protein, or vegetables. And what you can do is that you can just hit generate. Now, behind the scene, what happens is that we take our choices and we run it through the Open AI's engine. So it's running on GPT 3.5 right now. What it does is that it fetches us a list of dishes that then I pipe them to the Metaphor API to get the best recipes for. And what I'm doing is that I'm fetching the uh, uh, top five results for each. As I expected, something of a sandwich, a burrito, an omelette, citrus salads, stuff like that. So you can like check out the uh, you can check out the links. They're all legit. These were served by Metaphor. The dishes themselves were served by the OpenAI's API, and let's try changing the meal type. Let's go for something dinnerish. And So what I did observe is that the OpenAI API it's a little slow in serving a request, slower than what I would have wanted. I could use a better engine, but that would cost more obviously. So what I've done is that I've introduced a local cache where so this is our dinner uh, output. And what I've done is that the local cache, what it does is that it sees if there are repeated queries. What it does is that it just serves you the uh, generated output from earlier. So this was instantly served. So that's the product, and that's my LinkedIn over there if you want to check it out. Mazhar Ali Beg. And let's have a look at the code. The front end is made in React, and it's just React and CSS. You can go through the code. It's pretty simple, not too hard. The front end is hosted on Firebase. The back end is made in Node. It is. I mean, while testing out the product, let me warn you, it is rate limited because I don't have unlimited credits on OpenAI. So it is rate limited, and also I have implemented caching as I've said. And the backend I could not host it on what do you say on Firebase because apparently I need to pay for using the Firebase functions, and I did not want to pay, so I just got a workaround. I use this IP tunneling service called Ngrox. So what it does is that as long as I keep the backend running on my local machine, it tunnels the local host to hosted link over here. So this link you see, I whitelisted it over here. My front end hits this API point instead, the Firebase hosted front end, and that's my project. I'd suggest you check out my LinkedIn, and if you like this, if you want to talk more about it, I'd love to have a call. Thanks.